Years ago, I stalled my weight loss and couldn't seem to lose any more weight, eating 1,700 calories. 2 years later, I almost effortlessly lost weight on 3,200 calories. Seems utterly impossible, right? Here's how I did it. Research is clear. In order to lose weight, we have to be in a calorie deficit. So really, there's two ways of getting there, right? Eat less, move more. But how many times have you heard that before? Did it get you anywhere? But what if there was a third way? Another path, less taken, but far more effective. Would you take it? Okay, so we've established that we need a calorie deficit to lose weight. And for example, let's say your body needs 2,000 calories to maintain your body weight. Therefore, to lose weight, you need to burn more than 2,000 calories through exercise or eat a little bit less than 2,000 calories and cause your body to have to make up for the deficit through burning body fat. But what if instead you could teach your body to simply use more calories, use and require more energy to increase naturally your body's ability to just burn more calories so that you don't have to jump on the treadmill or just constantly be eating asparagus and salmon all the time. The good news, this literally can be done through resistance training, lifting heavy things. Because what do we all know that does? It builds muscle. More muscle means your body needs more energy to maintain that muscle. And more energy means more calories. You get to eat more. Muscle is a metabolically expensive tissue. It requires a lot of calories just to maintain muscle and even more to be able to build it. But what does this mean? It means you need to gain more weight in order to lose more weight. Okay, I know, let me explain. Essentially, it comes down to the fact that as your calories increase, within a controlled increase, obviously, your body becomes less efficient with how it partitions calories. Your NEAT, your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, increases. Things like, and with more muscle mass, your body requires more calories. So what does it mean for you though? If you have been chronically dieting, or if you've never really actually tried to build and put on muscle, you can drastically change the results that you've been getting. I want you to start eating about 200 calories over what your body requires to maintain its weight. And pair that with resistance training and progressive overload, which means lifting a little bit more each time. Now let me be clear, for a defined and specific amount of time, you are looking for your weight, the scale, to increase. You want your weight to be going up. And when your weight increases and you're progressively lifting more weight and eating enough food to fuel that muscle growth, you are building muscle. Now, as a goal, I want you to aim for 1 to 2 pounds of weight gain a month, just to be conservative. A little bit more is not a bad thing. Lift more each week. When your weight stalls, add 1 to 200 more calories. I know this sounds counterintuitive. I said nobody wants this method, didn't I? But you need to strategically increase your weight so that your maintenance calories increase as well. And then when you go to diet down, it will be much easier. And I'm living proof of this. When I was dieting on 1,700 calories, it was painful. I was cold all the time. Things were miserable. I was hardly eating. I had unhealthy relationship with food, and I lost a bunch of muscle mass in the process because I was consuming so few calories. Now on the flip side, after about a 2-year building phase of adding muscle to my body, I was eating 3,800 calories approximately. And then for 8 weeks, I dropped down to about 3,200 to 3,300 calories, and every week I was losing a pound consistently, and my strength did not go down. And after 8 weeks, I lost 8.5 pounds. Felt like I'd hardly been dieting, and I reached my goal. I've helped my wife do the same thing as well. After our third baby, she had to grind to lose weight on 1,600 calories. But after I had her build muscle for a year, she's now effortlessly losing weight on 2,000 calories after giving birth to our fourth baby. She has been in absolute awe because she fought me on gaining weight to build muscle. But now she's so grateful that she listened. Now that you've made your mind up on what you want to do, you might be wondering how on earth to do this right so that you don't end up gaining a bunch of fat instead of muscle. And this video over here will show you exactly how to do that. And as always, be intentional, bring the intensity, and I'll see you over there on the next video.